In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up footprint chart in NinjaTrader. So to actually be able to set up footprint charts, this is going to require you to use the volumetric bar type. Now, this is actually one of the features included within their Order Flow Plus feature package, and that's actually included with your NinjaTrader lifetime license key. So in case you haven't purchased that yet, you want to go to your account and you want to purchase this to be able to use it. But if you do have this, if you have the access to Order Flow Plus, you can then use it by going to new up here, and then you want to open up a chart. So just click on the chart. And then here you want to select the instrument you would like to use. So for example, let's say we're going to just do some, let's just do some futures, and I'm going to do, for example, GC, there we go. And then in here, you can see data series, and where it says data series, usually it's going to say tick or something like that, whatever it says. Here, click on it where it says type, and then set it to volumetric. Okay, so volumetric, this is the one. And then here you can go ahead and of course customize this as you wish, and then click on OK. And whenever you actually do have the Order Flow Plus package, it's going to open up essentially a footprint chart for you, which is basically looking like this. So over here, this is one of their forums, as you can see, and this is how this is going to look usually. So this is basically the footprint chart. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.